My name is Sue Kerrigan-Harris. If you haven't met me before, I'm a pastel artist from the UK. I teach worldwide online and in my little village in the south of England. I absolutely adore soft pastel, and today I'm going to show you a little trick that I've learned to help the environment as I pastel away. I'm going to show you how to make your own wet wipes so you don't have to keep buying wet wipes to wipe your hands to keep them clean. I've got all the things that I need with me right here. You need about 200 ml of boiled water. You need some tea tree oil, some glue, something like Loctite or Yoo-hoo. You need an old takeaway container, preferably a lid from a set of wet wipes. Some of them have really handy plastic lids like this, and some pre-cut pieces of flannel. These I've got here are called cheeky wipes, and they are the ideal size. I think they're about 15 centimetres square. I'm going to show you how to turn all this into wet wipes that look just like this in here. You can just pull them out and use one each time you need it. To make your own wet wipes, you need something like a takeaway tub, the biggest one you can find. Some of them are quite shallow, but this one is a tall one. You need the lid, and you can cut the hole in the lid with the template of an old wet wipe top, one that's like this. This one was from Morrison's. Then you can put something like Yoo-hoo, or I've got Loctite adhesive here, something that's going to dry quite fast, and then stick it on top just like this, and then you wait for that to dry. If you turn it over, you can line it up properly like that. Just leave that for 5 minutes. And whilst you're waiting for it to dry, you can start layering your little pieces of cloth inside your container. Now, I've bought cheeky wipes. They're for use for newborn children, but you can use any kind of wipe, any kind of spare flannels that you've got, cut up material, anything you've got. I didn't have any, so I liked the look of these nice bright colours. And what you do is you concertina them. So you put one in and then fold the other one over, then put the other one in the other side and fold it over. And doing this means that when you pull one out, the next one will be ready to pull out. So you just put as many in as will fit. And you'll be surprised when they start. Oh, I got confused there. What am I doing? That one goes that way. There we go. When they get wet, they sink lower, so you can get quite a lot in, more than you first think. And they do last quite a while. I mean, I use one a day, so if I have 2 weeks supply in there, that's enough. There we go. The last one on top there. That'll be fine. And then I get my boiled water. It's maybe I'd say 200 ml in there, and I'm just going to put a few drops of tea tree oil in there. One more. There, I put 4 drops in, and that just stops it going mouldy in there. Tea tree oil is antibacterial, and I've tried this before and it's been fine for about 3 weeks, probably more, but I didn't leave it that long because I ran out of wipes. And now I'm just going to gradually pour the water on top and just let it sink in. and then you can push it down, and all these wipes will absorb the water. And you can pick the whole lot up and turn it over and just give it another press down. It's really tempting to put more water in, but don't, because you'll then find out that you've got excess water. And you don't really want them to be soaking wet, you just want them to be damp. So just give them a good press down, and it will soak through to all the different flannels in there. And then you get your lid, which is hopefully glued on. And then put your lid on top, like that, and then you can just pull a wipe through, like that, and then you'll see the next one pulls through, and then you've got a handy wipe that's just a little bit damp, not too wet, and ideal for just wiping your hands on whilst you're pasteling, and then your hands aren't soaking wet, and they dry almost instantly, and you're ready to go with pasteling again. So I hope you enjoyed making your wet wipes. Drop me a message and let me know how you got on making yours. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, just click the subscribe button down here somewhere, and also like my video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.